Venus, often dubbed Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and proximity to us, has always been somewhat overshadowed by our red neighbor Mars in the quest for extraterrestrial life. However, a recent discovery has cast a surprisingly bright spotlight onto this scorching, cloud-covered world. For the longest time, Venus was dismissed as a possible haven for life, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. It seemed an unlikely place to find any signs of life. But the universe, as it often does, threw a curveball at us. In 2020, scientists made an announcement that caused quite a stir in the astronomical community. They had detected traces of a gas called phosphine in the clouds of Venus. Now, why was this discovery so groundbreaking? Phosphine is a molecule made up of phosphorus and hydrogen. On Earth, this gas is primarily associated with life, produced by bacteria living in oxygen-free environments. The clouds of Venus, where the phosphine was detected, have temperatures and pressures that are somewhat Earth-like compared to the planet's inhospitable surface. This led to the tantalizing possibility: could there be life floating in the Venusian atmosphere? Before jumping to conclusions, researchers meticulously looked for other explanations. Volcanic activity, lightning, and even meteor impacts were considered as potential sources of the phosphine. Yet none of these scenarios could produce the amount of phosphine that was observed. The instruments and methods used to detect the phosphine underwent rigorous scrutiny, with teams double-checking data and ensuring the signal was genuine. The presence of phosphine doesn't confirm life on Venus, but it does open the door to this exciting possibility. To find more answers, missions to Venus are now being considered with renewed interest. By sending probes to study its atmosphere directly, or even to float in the clouds, scientists hope to determine the origin of the phosphine and see if the thick, acidic clouds of our neighboring planet might indeed harbor some form of life. Mars, our captivating neighbor, has always been at the center of mankind's fascination when pondering the existence of extraterrestrial life. With its haunting red landscapes and vast valleys, it's a planet that has inspired countless tales of Martians and space invasions. But recently, some real, tangible clues have emerged from this distant world that could hint at the existence of ancient life. The term organic might conjure up images of green foods or farming practices, but in the realm of chemistry, it simply refers to carbon-based molecules, which are life's building blocks. Such molecules are crucial because all known life forms on Earth are carbon-based. In 2018, the scientific community was abuzz with excitement when the Curiosity rover, NASA's mobile laboratory rolling across Mars, discovered organic molecules preserved in Martian rocks. These rocks, located in an area named Gale Crater, are estimated to be about 3.5 billion years old. This discovery means that at around the same time life was gaining a foothold on Earth, Mars had the ingredients necessary for life. What makes Gale Crater especially interesting is that it's believed to have once contained a lake. With the discovery of these organic molecules, one can't help but imagine a past Mars where water-filled lakes or oceans nurtured early forms of life. However, it's important to note that the presence of organic molecules doesn't directly point to life. Mars is a dynamic planet with a history of volcanic activity. These organic molecules could have been formed by non-biological processes or even delivered from outer space via meteorites. Despite the uncertainty, this discovery adds another layer to Mars's already complex and intriguing story. Scientists, with the help of rovers like Curiosity and future missions, continue to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. Each discovery, each hint of ancient water or molecule, draws us closer to answering that age-old question: are we alone in the universe? For now, the presence of organic molecules on Mars stands as a testament to the planet's potential to have supported life. As we dive deeper into its secrets, who knows what other revelations await us?